It's the night before the review, and you're rebuilding your report from scratch. Sound familiar?
The sheet you use while calling and the sheet your manager actually wants to see during the review are almost never the same format.
So every review cycle, precious hours get lost, just copying the exact same numbers from one format into another.
But what if the very same sheet you use to log your calls every day was also the exact sheet your manager carefully reviews? Managers always walk into every single review with real, accurate numbers, not numbers hastily rebuilt the night before. One single sheet, always kept perfectly aligned. We don't give technology, we give solutions.
Automate your telecalling process. Visit Calltica.com.